weche mag tuke ni tim mar KCB obago rako mogik motel ne tugo makiny e kindgi kod Shabana kalura gi kocha mar KCB Patrick Odhiambo. Tugo kamano dhi miyo gi thuolo mar tieko season e yo makare bang' bedo gi duoko moko ma ok ni kare. Odhiambo wacho ni Shabana en tim maber kalura gi tuke mag goyo machiegni ne. Kolero kata kamano ni dwaro mare en ni KCB nyaka tiek season e thuolo maber. KCB sani ni thuolo mar 7 gi point 41 ka Shabana ni thuolo mar 4 gi points 46.
My first appearance for KCB was against Talanta FC. Ilikuwa feeling poor. Kuconsider vile nimeka out for long bila kucheza because of some injuries, but sasa niko fully fit and it's a great feeling to be back. The team has prepared well enough. From Monday, the sessions have been great, intense, and tomorrow I think we'll pick a win.
We are very ready for this game. We have been having bad times. Maybe we've lost 2 matches consecutively, which is not a good thing. But we are trying our best. Maybe we can redeem ourselves with this match against Shabana. We know it's not going to be an easy one. It's going to be a tough one. Looking at the strength of Shabana, the recent matches that they have played, it's a winning team. Looking from the trainings and how the players are responding, they are very positive.